Hey, welcome to my channel, You Can SAT Math. The core concept of this channel is to teach you guys SAT question bank questions, mostly hard difficulty. Questions that I used to struggle with but now understand. I will not go through like the foundations of the questions, like how you learn what like linear equations are. I will just purely teach how to solve this question. If you don't know anything of the foundations, the basics, if you're like in the lower 500 range, I recommend Tutor Leaning Test Prep. He has really good free videos to watch. Okay, let's get started with this question. The question states, for each real number r, which of the following points lies on the graph of each equation in the xy plane for the given system? So, first thing that I notice is a real number r, which is kind of a trap from College Board, because if you type in r into Desmos, r equals 2, it sees this as a radius and draws a circle. We don't want that. We want a constant that we give a value to. So we can just change r to t. I usually just switch r always to t. I'm just used to it. You can do whatever. You can also do k. I just like using t. Okay, we just assign a real number. Important, it can't be a negative. Has to be positive. Then we go ahead and let's draw the systems of equations. 5, 28x plus 24 equals 20. So, okay, we can see if we click the color off button, the two lines overlap, which means they have infinite many solutions. So every point, like let's say A lies on red, it also lies on black, so it will be the solution. So since we already gave a value for t, which is r here, we can just type these in, and Desmos will automatically see the value t as x2. So we can just go ahead and write this point out correctly, make sure no spelling errors. That's 5/7. So as we can see, this point does not lie on the graph, so it's not a solution for the system of equations. Let's try b. 7t/6. Also, never forget to write t instead of. Okay, this one's far off. Let's try this one. 4 plus 20. This one's also off, so we already know that the answer will be D, but we can just fact check it for the sake of this video. And as we can see, answer D lies straight on the point, and since the lines overlap, like are right on to each other, this point lies on both lines. Let's say the lines would intersect only at one point. Wait, let's change this to x. Okay, so let's ignore this. Let's say this would be the systems of equations. If we needed to have a point that lies on both of these, it would have to be the intersection, because that's the only point where they actually, where a value fits for both equations, if you understand what I mean with that. Yeah, but if they overlap each other like in the example. Yeah, any point is fine, which is on the line. Yes. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any additional questions, just let me know, and I will link a question bank PDF with the questions like this to practice in the bio. Yeah, in the description, I mean.